Hi, Assalamualaikum to Sir Amiruddin bin Muhammad Salim. In this opportunity, my name is Nur Salatudin Samita Said, and also my other group member, which is Zarifah, Farhana, and also Kamarina, will be presenting about on business model canvas. So here, I will introduce first about our product, which is Sweetie Cookies Bakery. First of all, I will introduce you what is Sweetie Cookies Bakery. Okay, Sweetie Cookie Bakeries was founded on the base on making the best cookies ever made by using a premium ingredient in freshly baked treat and foremost offering the excellent customer service. We also guarantee that our products are not only delicious but also a delight to enjoy for our customer out there. The template shown here is what we call a business model canvas or BMC, which consists of 9 different elements that are necessary and crucial for the development of any business out there. Let's see, we explain one by one.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Zarifah binti Ahmad Syukur and I'm from DPR 3A. Okay, for key partners, first one has supplier. That is our key supplier will be bakery shop for our ingredients to make a cookies. The second one is drop shipper and the third one is Shopee. Fourth one is Post Laju. Fifth, JNT, and the last one we have runner. Okay, for key activities, we have 7. The first one is social media. Okay, like do online and offline promotion. The second is production. Okay, production of cookies. Third one is marketing plan, word of mouth or child marketing. Fourth one is packaging. We use plastic jar as our packaging for cookies. Fifth, meet supplier. Deal with supplier to get a stock. The second last, go to courier to post a cookie using a courier. Then the last one is photo shoot. Okay, photo shoot is we have to take a picture of the product to make our product very impressive. Okay, for key resources we have 4. Okay, the first one you have oven and mixers. Okay, oven and mixers is very important to make our cookies. Okay. The second one is internet. Okay, if we doesn't have any internet, so we can promote our cookies to social media or take a order. Okay. The third one, we have utensils like okay, if we doesn't have utensils, so we can't make our cookies. And the last one is ingredient and packaging. Okay, for ingredients, we use the high quality ingredients. Okay, for make our customer keep order with our cookies and with our bakery. Just it for me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nova Nana. Today I'm gonna talk about value proposition. What we do. First, we sell a wide variety of cookies flavors such as chocolate chip cookies, red velvet cookies, Biscoff cookies, M&M cookies, almond cookies, and brownies cookies. Second, we offer customer album to our customer. Customer could decide themselves the amount of cookies they want, and they can even mix the different type of cookies but same price cookies together in a bag when buying at hot baker store. What makes us unique? First, on delivery, weekend shipping and open until 1 AM in offline. Also, we provide affordable price and store fundraiser. Customer segment to whom we we are targeting to sell is children, teenager and adult, student and people with high and low income. Customer relationship. Sweet Cookies Bakery maintain customer relationship by doing promotional through social media such as Facebook, Instagram and the web. Maintain product quality, provide promotional for reseller, fundraising, hosting, event hosting and catering, shopping, purchase and delivery convenience via e-commerce.
Okay, next, my name is Nurka Mariam Samri. I want to talk about Sweetie Cookies Bakery, about a channel. We use wearable platform to promote our business. First, in social media, we have Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. And about personal selling, we distribute the product through a flyers and we have a live streaming in Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp story. And lastly, about marketplace and a bazaar. Okay, next about cost structure, we have two. First, fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, about fixed cost, we have store, internet and rental shop. And about variable cost, we have raw material, packaging, employer, salary, and cost runner. Okay, about revenue stream, we have 5. First, catering business, purchase, event, fundraising, directly menu offering, and sales of cookies product to customer directly and resale. Thank you.